Good afternoon, folks. Big Bo here with another great towable RV value from Parkway RV Center. Today we're going to review, believe it or not, a used 2020 Forest River Cherokee Limited 274 VFK, and one of the coolest floor plans I've seen in a travel trailer in a long time. It is a V-nose, as you can see, and this has every package you can get from Cherokee. The base camp, the campfire, and a limited package all in one. So basically this has every option you can get from Cherokee on it. 33 feet long, has a slide out, in excellent condition. I mean, the thing, let me tell you something, folks. I know it's hard to believe this is a used camper, but if I could call Forest River and get them to send me all the tags and stickers that's on a brand new one, and I put them in this, you couldn't tell the difference between it and a brand new one, except this is several $1,000s less. I think MSRP was up close to $40,000 on this one as equipped. I've got it for $20,900. Double axles, stabilizer jacks. It's set up, got a plug-in for the solar kit if you wanted to add that. You do have a rack on the back you can fold down, perfect for coolers, firewood, or portable generator. 30 amp service, outside shower, enclosed holding tanks. Of course, spare tire on the back, corners. I mean, guys, like I said, if you put all the stickers back on it when it was brand new, you couldn't tell the difference in it. Got the leash latch, which is to tie your pets up to. You've got a power awning with the LED lights. Speakers with the blue LED lights. Got the big picture windows. And like I said, one of the coolest floor plans I've seen in a long time. Campfire, base camp, and limited package. Every package that Cherokee offers is on this particular travel trailer. You've got the Surestep folding steps, and these are a whole lot better than the fold-up steps. They fold up all the way inside. They're a lot more sturdier, a lot stronger, and you don't have to worry about driving off and remembering if you folded your steps up or not, because these right here, the only way you're going to close your door or drive off is with these things in the upright position, which are stored inside. And as we look inside, folks, I love the blue accent lights in here. Man, ain't this a cool camper or what? Look here at the front. Huge front. They call this the super kitchen. You've got a 10 cubic foot refrigerator freezer. You've got they call it a farmhouse sink. Big single basin stainless steel sink. 3-burner stovetop oven. Furion stainless steel microwave. Beautiful countertops. Lots of food prep area. Pretty cool. They have USB chargers everywhere, so you can charge your mobile phone and mobile devices from several locations inside the RV. LED lights everywhere. Table booth makes a bed. Sofa makes a bed. Got a nice, comfortable chair. It uses all Furion, which is also owned by Lippert Components, and they got the Thomas Paine furniture by Lippert Components as well. Pretty much the best RV components you can get is in this camper. Notice the very nice lighting, which I'm assuming is going to be part of the limited package. The window treatments. Got the Furion stereo, which is a Bluetooth as well. Bathroom. Got the high-rise RV toilet. Glassed-in shower. Medicine cabinet. Got the sink vanity area. Back bedroom. Queen island bed. Lots of storage around it. Got your second entry door to the outside. Of course, you've got USB chargers in here on both sides of the bed for cell phones. And you've got some in the lounge area too. So, of course, you know me. My thoughts are on cell phones and camping is leave them off, leave them in the nightstand drawer. I mean, you're out camping, not to play on your phone, but, you know, I know some people have to use it for business and stuff, so plug-ins there for cell phones, kitchen and bedroom. Great couples model, but can still sleep a small family of 6 or less. I like the skylight. You know, today's real cloudy, about to rain, but you know, on a normal nice sunny day, you can let in a lot of natural sunlight in here between the skylight and these big picture windows. Day-night shades. I mean, guys, they don't come no newer than this in a used RV. $20,900, even though this thing, I'm sure everything still works on it. We're still going to go through our world-famous 4-page inspection process after purchase and make sure everything on that list works. And if we find something that doesn't, we're going to fix it. No additional cost to you, and it's a more thorough inspection than what this thing went through at the factory and the original selling dealer. And we can do it fairly quickly too, because I really don't think this thing's going to need a thing. And I'll put a link below in the video description so you can see our 4-page checkout process. Nobody else does that on a used RV. Nobody, guys. I got a physical copy in the coach itself. I also, if you go to my website, parkway-rv-center.com, I'll have the original sales brochure available on the listing as well. So, you know, everybody looking at this on YouTube needs to go to my website. I've got a lot more information if you're interested about this camper. Pictures, specs, measurements, and much more. parkway-rv-center.com, or I'll post another link below in the video description. Takes you to our used travel trailer page on our website. And I'll also include a link to our free interactive tow guide. So many people have a vehicle to tow, but they have no idea what it can tow. And they think, and here's the thing, guys, you ask an RV dealer, 10 different RV dealers what your vehicle can tow, you're going to hear 10 different answers. I've got a free interactive tow guide that you can use, and it will tell you what your vehicle can tow. But as always, folks, it is deemed reliable but not guaranteed. It's a third-party service. And so far it's batting 100, but always verify with your vehicle dealer what your vehicle can tow before buying an RV. And unlike just using the dry weight as a guide to what you can tow or not tow, it will have it also accounts for luggage, propane, and water. So it's got a great formula to figure out if you can accurately tow this camper or not. So feel free to use it. Links in the video description below. Whether you buy from here or somebody else, at least you know off front what your vehicle can tow. And guys, I'm going to say this. I say it every video, or I try to. I don't care what they tell you. Who tells you what? I don't care. If you drive a Ford truck and Henry Ford came back from the grave and told you can tow more than what the truck's rated to tow, don't do it. Never go over your vehicle's towing capacity. I don't care if it's fifth wheel, travel trailer, or a truck camper, or what. Stay in that tow capacity. If you don't, you get into an accident, insurance company's going to skin you alive and probably deny the claim. If they investigate and discover you are towing more weight than your vehicle's rated for, because that's the first thing they're going to check, whether you're at fault or not. Let's not forget these insurance companies are going to look for every excuse in the world not to pay a claim, because you know you pay into them all those years, but when you need them, they do their best to weasel out of it. So keep that in mind. It's happened to a couple of customers of ours over the years. Now, I can't legally not tell you can buy this camper. If you come in here with a 4-cylinder S10 pickup truck wanting to tow it, I'll make you sign a bunch of waivers, but I'm not going to tell you, I'm not going to refuse to sell your camper, but I'm sure going to tell you can't safely tow it. And I'm going to make you sign a bunch of waivers. So, but guys, and we do have distribution hitches and sway controllers in stock. If you want a price on those installed, give us a call. You know, of course, you always need to have a brake controller already installed in your vehicle before you camper shop. And most of y'all with factory tow packages have that built into the dash from the factory, but before you buy a camper, you might want to make sure it's still functioning properly. But anyway, guys, $20,900 while it lasts. If you're interested in this camper, give us a call, 706-965-7929. It includes a 90-day nationwide limited warranty through Easy Care, which is pretty much accepted at any licensed repair facility. And guys, and here's the thing about the factory warranty. I'm not a Cherokee dealer, so I have no idea if the factory warranty is transferable or not. That's something you'll have to call Cherokee's customer service line, and I'll have the VIN number in the video description. You can give them the VIN number and check for yourself and what all's involved with changing it over, because we can't do it, you have to. If it's transferable, some manufacturers are, some are not. So, but that's something, like I said, any prospective buyer is going to have to investigate. And it probably won't take you 10-15 minutes to call with the VIN number and find that out. But anyway, guys, if you're interested in this camper, give us a call. Please call before coming to look and make sure it's available. I'm going to put it on eBay. I'm going to put it on RV Trader, RVT. Rest assured, there's a lot of potential buyers watching this ad and this video. So keep that in mind, and always call to make sure it's available before you travel down here to look. I'm sure you're not going to have any issues with it at all for condition. I mean, everything's just like it's supposed to be, guys. And like I said, if it had all the tags and stickers, in fact, it's got one still on the stereo, but if it had those hanging everywhere and in the fridge, you would swear it was a brand new one. Still smells like a new RV. But anyway, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel. We do have financing available with approved credit. We have no extra fees. $20,900 plus applicable sales tax. That's it. You get the warranty. You get the inspection after this after this camper has been inspected. It gets cleaned inside and out. We do a final walkthrough. If everything's to our satisfaction, we'll call you to set up a time for you to pick up your new to you Cherokee Limited. Once you arrive here at the appointed time, the tech that checked it out, that knows it better than anybody, is going to go through this camper with you, or my walkthrough expert Preston will. And you can record them with your phone or camera. Going to show you how to operate everything, show you that everything works, answer any questions you have, show you the repairs that had to be made. That's included for the $20,900. Some dealers charge $200 or $300 extra for that, just for the orientation. Also included, guys, 21 nights of free camping up to 7 nights at a time at select RV resorts nationwide. That's also included, to be used in a 12-month period at select RV resorts. Also included is your legal drive-out tag, your starter kit with all your camping essentials, instructional DVDs, and that's a lot of stuff, guys, for no extra fees. One easy price, $20,900 plus sales tax. You get all of that, and this camper, of course, this beautiful Cherokee. Come on out, check us out, folks. Come out, look at it. I've got lots of used travel trailers and a variety of price ranges for you to look at, and floor plans, bunkhouses, rear kitchens, front kitchens, rear lounge, toy haulers, and much more. But thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Nationwide delivery is also available. Contact us for a quote. We deliver these things all over the country, folks. People travel from all over the country to buy from us. Thanks to this wonderful internet, guys, there's no such thing as as out-of-town buyers anymore. Everybody's local thanks to the internet, just a few clicks away. And if you have any questions, call us, email us at sales@parkwayrvcenter.com. And look forward to seeing everybody here in beautiful Ringgold, Georgia.